Okay, so I'm putting the driver's side mud flap on. There are 3 clips, 1, 2, 3, and then a 4th one underneath holding the skirt, attaching the liner. It should go something like that. Should take a few minutes. The worst part is getting down the floor and getting this one. I don't think you can see it. I don't think you can see it because of the glare, but there's 3 clips. What you do is take your Phillips gently, and if they rotate, good. If they don't, it'll be a big pain in the butt. That one does not, so typically what I do is I get a flathead, try to squeeze it tight, and then that should loosen it. You see that? Hopefully you saw that. So the 3 clips, once you gently unscrew them, the liner clips, they should just pop right out. Try to keep them intact, that way you can store them away or whatever. Try not to break them. If you do, it's not the end of the world, but usually it's smooth going. Now, one of the reasons for getting the mud flaps is to protect the side skirting underneath here as much as possible. OEM mud flaps are not available. I don't think Subaru makes them at all for the STI. This is a 2019, so I bought these for added protection. What ends up happening is all the road gunk and junk and salt, it's now winter in New York, so all this crap gets under there and just, you know, it bothers me. Like anything in life, as I get older, I pursue perfection, and having this really bothers me. So I'll get in there with a vacuum if I need to, and I have soap, MONYC winter wash mixed with an empty Adams shampoo. I probably had like this much soap in it left, very little, so I mixed that with a little bit of other Adams soap and warm water to clean this whole area up. So what you do is you gently kind of try not to mess with the liner too much. The more you mess with it, the more you jank it up, and it gets all, but see how it's all gross in here? So what I'll end up doing is, I don't have to vacuum it too much at all, not at all, but what I'll do is I'll just take this, give it a nice little spray. You can access this through the door actually, but I'll just clean this whole area up. Again, the idea of salt water getting in there from the winter and rusting out really bothers me. I'm not sure if anyone else can relate to that, but at least with me, it's something that not constantly worrying. It's not. I think it's the pursuit of figuring things out and getting things the way I want it. I'm not usually a rigid person, but as I'm getting older, I'm finding out that maybe I am. I'm not sure. Give this all a good wipe down. You gotta, and then underneath here, we're gonna bolt in. So MONYC winter wash should provide or slow down the oxidation process, which is rust. Oxidation is rust, so slow that down as much as we can to get as much life out of this car as we can. You know, freaking worked hard getting this thing. Might as well work a little harder in getting it. So it looks pretty good. Alright, so what you do now is here are these clips, metal and plastic. You gotta clip them on to the 3 9 points here. again, the more you stretch out this liner, it's not going to line up. You know, that's the price you pay with the Subaru. The more you mess with it, most likely it's going to line up. It does hurt your hand. It's sharp. Should be wearing gloves, but it's tough. In the winter in New York, especially, it's about 20 degrees out, so your hand janks up your hand pretty good. They don't necessarily clip. Some of them have a nice little clip to it, but most do not clip. What you need to do is you need to take this L clip, put it between the liner and the side skirt, bolt it back up from underneath. To do that, you also need to put a clip inside the liner in here, which can be a pain. So you put 1, 2, 3. This is your 4th clip for the L bracket. This is the 4th clip, plastic clip that goes in here to bolt underneath, or screw underneath rather, and then this is your 5th clip, which is metal for the metal retainer, L-shaped retainer. So you gotta get under there. Like I said, the more you mess with this liner, the less likely it's gonna go in nicely. So try not to jank it up as much as you can. And you can't tell if you're lined up or not, so get a nice little light. There you go. You can see. So not sure if you can see. There's the clip 1, 2, 3. The 3rd one's in there that you go underneath here. So I cleaned all this up as best I can. It's not perfect, but it's better. It's better. Like I said, it's 2019, so I'm doing the best I can to protect this thing in the winter. I daily it, so it's pretty good daily in terms of winter storms, like any other Subaru. But all right. So what you do is you then get under there, try to So you have a pretty thick washer. These washers go here. This one goes with the longer screw underneath the car. This one's going to take some time, so just be patient. See, I can already tell it's not going to line up perfectly. I can already tell. That's alright. Is it though? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I wish I had a smaller screwdriver. That would help. Don't tighten it too much, because what you want to do is you want to make sure everything lines up, and then you go back. I don't want to open up this too much, but it should line up perfectly. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to put the metal retaining clip on this one. It should go in like that, pretty standard. Once you put it in, it's going to be real hard to get it out. The instruction says to put this one on first, so, which makes sense. That way you can pivot on the axis and line everything up. The instructions also say that you will penetrate the liner, which is normal. I don't like that idea, but it is what it is. Again, the Subaru engineers just freaking engineered this thing with mud flaps. You have to do this, but it's not the world we live in, so. Be gentle, the screwdriver barely fits. Okay, so I'll leave it like that, and then you do the middle one here, and then you definitely don't tighten it all the way. That way you can kind of adjust. Kind of hand crank it for now, and then that way you can get a little bit of wiggle room for each one. I mean, once you're at this step, it's really easy. I mean, just gently put that one in there. Gets kind of tight because the flaps are rigid, so there's a little bit of a tension to them. I think once you are happy with the placement, which I am, looks pretty good. So I have that, and then I just kind of hand tighten them. I have it in the lowest setting. That way I don't over boost it like I just did on that one. Oh, there's still some wiggle room here. Now in a couple days I'll probably do this again. I'll kind of tighten them by hand again. I don't want to over tighten them, but I want these things falling apart, loosening up and falling off. Alright, that should be good. And there we go. That's the look. I'm not going for a look, I'm more going for protection. That's my agenda, but that's what that looks like. That's what that looks like. Not bad. Thanks for watching. This was fun. Maybe I'll post more. I'm not sure. I see other guys doing this, so I figured, hey, if it helps them, maybe it'll put my mind at ease. Stop worrying about stupid stuff. Alright, well thanks. Maybe I'll post more stuff. Tune later. Subscribe.